Hello everyone, welcome back. Here's VanAmsen. Today we are going to tackle an interesting coding problem, body string in C++. So yes, and what is the task about? So it's really popular coding interview question, so it's worth noting it has interesting edge cases that you need to understand. So here is the problem. We are given two strings, so let's say it's S, and go, it will be just G. And we need to transform S, so our transformed S, let's say S prime, will equal to G. And transformation, so going from S to S prime, will be by swapping two letters. So what swapping means? So we need to swap letters, and this is our function. So f of S is just swapping two letters, and we also need to swap them. So let's think of edge cases. So if, for example, len of S is not equal len of G, then string after transformation will not be the same because we cannot apply any function. If we can apply a function, but the resulting string will be always different because the length is different. So we output immediately false, so one edge case. And then we have, for example, this base case with AB and BA, so AB and BA. So as you can see, so AB, let's say it's S, so then our S prime might be BA. So why BA? Why? Because we can swap those two letters and it will result in BA, and our S prime will be equal to string G. So G is, as you can see, BA as well. So then we output, so let's say output is true. And so we have covered this, and here you can see that we have exactly same string. So S is equal G, so we need to output false. And why false? Because if we apply the transformation, so S prime will be then BA, because it will be AB, and AB will become of BA. So you are swapping those two letters, and obviously BA is not equal of G. So our S prime is not equal G, so that's why false. And here, so we have covered one more case and last case. So this is our last case, and you can see that S is equal to G, but it's tricky one, because if we have, let's say, yeah, I will write here, maybe with other marker to have it visible. So if S is A, so after transformation, S prime will be A as well. And basically, we have this equation. So S equals G, but also it's equal S prime. So because this holds, so G equals S prime after transformation, we output true. So it's last case. So now let's implement everything we said in C++. So if S length is not equal of goal length, we simply return false as edge case. Then we go with another. So if S is equal to goal, so we know that vector int and count 26 letter. So for characters C, we check S. So if increment count C minus 1 greater than 1, we return true and return false otherwise. So it's our another case. So in this case, we just testing whether those strings, even if they are equal, if we have some letter with count greater than 1, and then we return true, or otherwise we return false, because we can swap it. So next, let's make a value of differences array, and we will increment and traverse over the strings, and if s at I is not equal goal at I, so we know that we have different characters, and we push it to our temporary difference vector. So then we return the difference size, and if difference size is 2, we know that we have only 2 different letters, and after swapping it will be the same, but we need to also preserve the places. So goal and difference at 1, so we know that I equals goal at difference of 0. So not only we have 2 differences in this case, but also we know that we can swap it. So let's run our code to see if it's working. So I'm running it, and yes, you can see that as mentioned previously, AB, BA, it's swappable, so it's true. Here, after swapping, it will be false, and here strings are equal before transformation, but after transformation, they are equal as well. So let's run our code for unseen test cases to verify everything work or don't work. So yeah, everything's work, and we can see that our implementation beat 100% with respect to runtime, so it's really efficient, and also 20% with respect to memory. So okay, so our solution works as expected. So this function should handle all scenarios given in the problem constraint. And remember, when it comes to the coding interviews, it's not just about writing code that works. You need to consider all possible edge cases and craft your solution accordingly. And if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more C++ coding tutorials and walkthroughs. And as usual, happy coding, stay motivated, see you next time.